G7020A Cutting Grinder User's Manual. G7020A is a machine that can cut the steel rule and finely grind the cut face. G7020A Full Cutting. First, check the size of the steel rule to be cut. Then turn the height adjustment handle to set the height of the cutting wheel to 10 to 15 millimeters and tighten the bolt so the wheel doesn't move. Place the steel rule flush to the guide and move the stopper to the desired length and tighten. Be sure to check the safety cover before cutting. G7020A Half Cutting. Purpose is to machine a V-groove on the bend line to bend the steel rule at a right angle. After checking the thickness of the steel rule to bend, set the height of the cutting wheel. Since it is difficult to measure the exact height, the groove depth is adjusted by moving the guide back and forth while turning the height adjustment handle. G7020A Fine Grinding. Turn the height adjustment handle to set the height of the grinding wheel to about 30 millimeters and tighten the bolt so the wheel doesn't move. Use the side of the grinding wheel to finely grind so that the cut faces of the steel rules would join without a gap. The diamond grinding wheel is recommended for safe grinding. G7020A Additional Instruction. Turn the height adjustment handle clockwise to lower the stone wheel all the way. Check that the stone wheel is completely moved to the bottom. Insert a screwdriver into the pivot hole. Turn the hexagon bolt clockwise with a 13 millimeter spanner and remove the bolt and the wheel. Reassemble the stone wheel in reverse order. For safety, adjust the start and end points of the top slide with the rear stopper. Cut and fine grind on the same machine. G7020A Cutting Grinder will contribute toward quality improvements.